are you doing today, Auntie Fatima?
I am leading a workshop with other doctors and nurses on teaching healthy habits.
What is a
Habit.
That is the perfect example of a healthy habit.
It is?
Yes, a healthy habit is something you practice as a way to care for yourself and others around you.
As a healthcare worker, Auntie Fatima knows all about healthy habits.
That's right. Do you know why it is important to cough and sneeze into your elbow, Raya?
Yes. When we sneeze or cough, we can spread millions of germs into the air and make other people sick.
That's right. But do you feel sick right now, Raya?
No, I feel fine.
So why did you sneeze into your elbow if you're not sick?
Because I can still spread germs even if I don't feel sick. And by sneezing into my elbow every time, it helps me to remember to sneeze into my elbow when I do feel sick. It becomes a
healthy habit.
Exactly. That is an important habit I'll be teaching in my workshop today.
Auntie, I just thought of another one.
What is that, Didi?
Make sure you're sneezing into your elbow, not your hand. Because we use our hands to touch food, door handles, all kinds of things, even other people.
So, if we have germs on our hands, we can spread them through touching.
My goodness, perhaps I should have you two lead my healthy habits workshop.
Practicing more healthy habits means fewer people getting sick.
But then, Auntie Fatima will have less work to do.
That will be okay with me. I'd much rather teach people to be healthy than treat them when they're sick.
Maybe you can teach your patients my song to remember how to care for each other. Caring for each other makes a better place for you.